Hello, my name is Yang. I come from China. I live in a village called Damoyu, which is located in Yunnan province in nearby Kunming city. I feel like we have a project about food forest here, and we are developing our community like an eco village. So we invited Luke and Susana come here in this month, September, because we feel like it's very, very important for us to learn and practice a system about sustainable economic, which is the most important foundation for us now. And we feel like it's not only about how to make money, it's also about how we interact with this world. And after this course, I feel really happy and grateful for them and the knowledge they teach us and all the process they give us and help us know more about ourselves to discover who am I and what is my purpose and what is my passion. And also it's help us to know better about our friends, which is our community members. And during this course, we have created a lot of great ideas, and we found a lot of potentials in our community. We can do a lot of great things in the future. We can cooperate together. We have this strength. We have this power. So I'm really happy Luke and Susana come here and help us to build this really nice and strong bond between us.